this one. This is Austin. Bago pa.
Wala lang siguro na naiguhan.
Austin pa din. It's 3 for $10.
Di, ako raning ikuanan. I-dub. Voice over.
Yeah, $2. Mga isang $10.
Ano na? 3 for 10, di ba?
$10 na siya. This one $5. This is Ati. Diba? And this is Isaac's.
Mamaya na han. Yan na. Sila lang ni kaminit.
This is mine for work.
Pila?
This is $5 for work.
Panalagi siya yung name. Sana, work?
NC,
Ay.
I don't know. This is for Ati. It's $45. It's 50.
Dr.
I
Martin?
haggled for 45. And this is for Ati. $5
For Philippines?
for Philippine use only because here is so cold. This is for free. I don't know why is it free.
Basig for free lang na iyang ginapangkuhaan.
This is mine for work. Iba natin yung mga for work ni Papa.
Kadugay ba niyo mo? Abrihan lang.
This is mine also.
That's Under Armour.
Under Armour. This is Nike or Ati or Isaac.
Isaac yata. Ambot. Ate siguro. Pero kadugay, mahimong Isaac.
Adidas for
Me.
No,
Yeah,
for
for you? For me.
for me or for you?
Na siya anuhan. May paint gamay.
Yun lang.
Para sa balay lang.
That's mommy or papa? This is mommy. Adidas.
Nakuha na, no?
Ikaw naman.
Okay.
And this is not in this one too. This we have a bag.
P for 10.
3%. This one.
This is intact.
This one. This is for Ati. Or
Yun na. That's mine.
this is for mommy.
Pila to? Tag 2.5?
With $5.
$5 each?
This is for $2. Look, oh, it's ganda.
Wala pa yung floss, no?
It's brand new. Wala na zipper.
Ano lang din na siya.
There's no
I-open
zipper,
lang.
but
Sige na, dili na. 4 minutes na ni oh. Look, ang
$2.
storage ani ako ang kuan gamay ra.
this is $2. This is Isaac. Ati.
Labahin pala.
And Isaac. Silang tatlo, meron ng ganito ay silang apat.
Napay isa ha.
And last but not the least, Ati or Isaac. Okay, that's it. 445.
Plus napay
My
ano yan,
grapes.
grapes. 2 for $5 and 2.80 per kilo. 2.80 per kilo.
Abi?
2 for $5 per pack.